Hello, welcome to my show. Today I am going to show you how to grind the idli batter in the mixie. Last video I showed you how to grind it in the grinder, but most of the people usually grind it in the mixie only. But it is very fast if you grind in the mixie. But if you want a bulk amount, you have to depend on the grinder only. Now I will show you how I measure it. This is my measuring glass 200 ml. So I took 1 glass urad dal and 2 glass rice. With the rice I soaked 1 teaspoon of methi seeds, fenugreek seeds, uliva also. Now I clean the urad dal 2-3 times very nicely, and then now I am putting it in the mixie jar. I use the AquaGuard water only for grinding. You clean very nicely. If you are any stone or anything is there, you have to remove it from the urad jar. You fill it in the mixie and you just shake the mixie to make it a level. Now in the same glass I took 1 glass water. So slowly I will pour the water also in the mixie. Initially I am pouring 3/4 only. Now let us see, if required we can pour the balance water. You press with your hand and you see if it is coming till the top level. The water should be on the top level only. Now you grind it, and in between if required you can pour the balance water. See, in between you mix it with the spatula. Now I am pouring the balance water also. Now I use 1 glass water for 1 glass urad dal. In between you have to mix with the spatula or hand. Now it grinded very nicely, because for idli we want a tight batter, not too loose. For dosa you can make it little more loose. But this batter you can use it for dosa also. But idli batter should not be too loose, and the idli will not come out nicely. Now you always take a big utensil to pour the batter, because after fermentation the batter will come up. Now I clean the rice also 2-3 times. I told you I used fenugreek seed also. I took 2 glass rice and 1 spoon fenugreek seeds. Now you fill it in the mixie. Then you make it a level with your hand. In the same glass I took 1 glass water. Slowly you pour the water and see till it is coming to the top level. Slowly you pour and see. Don't put too much water, then the batter will become too loose. Now see, I use the 1 glass water for 2 glass rice. Uh, then I use the 1 cup cooked rice. White rice is good, but if white rice is not there you can use red rice also. In between you take it out, and from the dome part, from the top part also remove all the rice and put it, mix with the spatula or hand very nicely. In between you have to switch off the mixie. Don't use the mixie continuously. Now see, let us see, this rice also grinded very nicely. See the correct texture only. For dosa you can use little more water while grinding the rice, but for idli this is the correct one. Now you pour it with the urad dal batter. Don't put any water or anything in the mixie. And now you clean with your hand only. Don't use any spatula, spoon or anything. Then always take a big utensil otherwise the batter will come outside after fermentation. Now I am adding the salt also, 1 spoon salt. You can add the salt next day morning also. So again you mix very nicely with your hand. Only if you mix with your hand the batter will ferment very nicely. See. Now you close with a proper lid. Then before you go to sleep you can keep the batter on the stove. Last time also I told you it needs some heat to ferment nicely. So you close it very nicely. You can keep some heavy things on the top of the cover. I forgot to tell you one thing. I soaked the rice and urad dal around 1 o'clock. Now I am grinding at 8 o'clock. Minimum 4 hours soaking is required. Otherwise it will not come out nicely. ഓൾറെഡി എൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് എങ്കിൽ എപ്പോഴും വീഡിയോ കാണുന്നുടനെ അതിൻ്റെ താഴെയുള്ള ഈ ലൈക്ക് ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യണം. എല്ലാ വീഡിയോയുടെയും താഴെയുണ്ട്. എല്ലാ വീഡിയോയും കാണുമ്പം ആ ലൈക്ക് ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യണം. ഈ വീഡിയോയുടെ തൊട്ട് താഴെ ഒരു ആരോ മാർക്ക് കാണാം താഴോട്ട്, ഒരു ചെറിയ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഷേപ്പ് ഇതാ ഇവിടെ. നിങ്ങൾ അവിടെ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുവാണെങ്കിൽ ഈ വീഡിയോയെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള എല്ലാ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനും അതിനകത്ത് എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്.